everybody, this is Bonnie from bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and I am coming to you with this Hydrangen Heven card, card number 4 for our online class for the month of March. So if you would like more information on how to join my online class, just click in the description box below. You can go to my Facebook page, you can go to my YouTube page, or you can just email me, message me, and I will gladly send you the information if you would like to join my class. I'd love to have you. For this month, you just had to order the bundle, and then you get the free card kits in the mail. And all the supplies and everything with the written tutorial and the 4 videos and everything sent to you. So for this card, we are going to be making this one right here. Isn't this a beautiful card? I just love the colors of it. Now, if you don't want to miss any of my up-and-coming videos, future videos, there's a little pink square over there in the right-hand corner. If you could click that pink square and subscribe, that would be great. That would support my channel, and that supports me to keep sharing videos with you. And if you could also share my video with your friends or comment, that really helps support me in more ways than you know. So if you could do that, I'd really appreciate it. So thanks, and let's get started on how I made this card. We're going to set this right over here. In your little kit, you're going to get all this stuff. You're going to get a piece of paper, piece of Whisper, or Basic White now it's called. Basic White, and it's an 8.5 by 5.5, and we're going to score it at 4 1/4. Then you're going to get a piece of Seaside spray, which this is discontinuing at the end of May, so it's so sad. If you love this color, anything to do with it, the blends or anything, you definitely want to grab this. And this one is 5 1/4 by 4. Then also you're going to be getting the piece of Misty Moonlight, and this piece is 4 by 3 4, and that's to cut out our circle with. You'll get another piece of Basic White, and this is just 2 3/4 by 4, and that's to do our stamping and to cut out an oval with. You will get another piece of Misty Moonlight that you will need, and it's 4 1/4 by, no, that's not by 3. 4 1/4 by 3/4. That's why I forgot to put the 4 in there. 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so let's get started on how I did this card. So we're going to put this stuff all aside. You'll also get your ribbon and your pearls. I just don't have them in my kit. I will have the ribbon, but the pearls I just use over here. So let's get stamping first, and then we'll do some die cutting. So we're going to bring in our sponge foam, which is right here. And I'm going to put this underneath it because I do go off the page with this. We're going to bring in the Hydrangen big stamp, and we're going to stamp it up in the Memento black ink. Put a good stamp in. Okay. And then we're just going to stamp this on the page right about here. I try to stamp it in the center. The oval will cut it out. I just kind of do my thing. Okay. So get that down on there. Okay. Just like that. And now we are going to also, while we have this right here, I'm going to stamp the thank you on here. You could definitely stamp the other sayings. There's other ones, congratulations, love you, for you, all that. You could do that. But I'm going to stamp this one, and I'm going to stamp it right here. Just like that. So that I know I have it on the page and I have enough room for it. So now we're going to move the foam mat, and we're going to color. And I will definitely fast forward this, but I want to tell you the blends that we're going to be using. I'm going to be using Old Olive Light and Dark. I'm going to be using Misty Moonlight Light. And then I'm going to be using the Seaside Spray Light and Dark. And these two colors will be retiring. So we're going to take the light one first, and we're just going to color the whole thing. Okay, so there's all the coloring. So now we're going to get out our oval shaped dies here, and we are going to be cutting these out with the little guy. I believe all these will fit through here. So we need platform 1 and platform 2. We're going to bring in the colored image. Now both of these, the bigger oval is, let's see, it's 2.5, about a little over 2.5. The little oval. The biggest oval is almost 3. So that's how I determined my, to let you know. Okay, so I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to tape this down because I don't want it to move on me, because that's where it's got to be. And I'm going to put, I'm going to put this right over top of it, offsetting it so it will cut through. Okay. I tell everybody that offsetting because I did not know that, and there was times I was struggling with this and I thought, oh my goodness, what have we got going on here? But if you offset it, it goes right through like butter, I'll tell you. I got a little piece of this tape here. And if I haven't showed you in past videos, or in case anybody wonders what kind of tape I'm using, I'm just using some Post-it note tape. It doesn't stick, and I really like it. So, okay, we're going to put our platform 1 back on here. Plate number 1 and 2, we'll put our Misty Moonlight paper, and then we will grab our other die. And I'm just going to tape this because I don't want it to move. And then we'll bring this in. We're going to offset these. I like the one on top to be offsetted towards the front. That helps me a lot better. And what I mean, I'll show you. I'll bring it up close. See how I have this one, then this, so it offsets like that if you're bringing it. It goes through a lot better. I don't struggle with it. Nothing. And now I love my mini guy. I feel I use it a lot more too. Okay. And let's get rid of a bunch of this stuff. Oh, we got one more thing. Oh, but we need the big guy to do that. Got one more die cut, and this we're going to need the big guy. I forgot. Because that piece won't fit through it. So we'll bring him in. And we need platform 1, platform 2 on this one. Platform 3 And then you'll need another platform 3. And we're going to bring in our Seaside Spray paper. We're going to sit this along the bottom. I'm eyeballing it. You could get technical and measure it and all that, but I'm going for that I got it pretty straight. You could use your grid paper and line it all up, but I think I'm good here. And if it's not, it's a homemade card, so I'm okay with it. And then we're going to put this on top, and we're going to run it through. And this is like that flowered ribbon, I'll show it to you, that came in with the dies of this bundle. It's a really cool little die set. Take this off. It is this, and it comes in with that bundle. I really like it. It's cute little flowers. Okay, and save these flowers because you're going to need at least 4 of them. So you can add more if you want, but I felt like 4 was plenty. So I'm just cutting out the flowers there. Okay, we can get rid of this because we don't need this anymore. I'm going to bring in my little silicone mat, and we're going to start putting this card together now. So we're going to take this piece that we have here, and oops, I got something on the back of my card when I put it through there. Huh, well, it came off, whatever it was. And we're going to run this over like that. And we're going to take this piece, I think I have enough to catch it, and we're putting this piece right from edge to edge, and we're going to attach it down just like that. I'm going to add a little bit more adhesive on each this so that when I go to apply it down, it will attach to the card. So now I got this like this, and I'm going to take my ribbon, flip it over on this side, and I'm going to kind of eyeball where the center is here. I don't know where that stuff is coming from. Alrighty, like this. There we go. And then I'll just pick this up. I'll pull this one over, and I'll pull this one over. Okay, so now we're going to bring in our base, and we're going to fold that in half. Just like that, and we are going to score. Just like that. Then we're going to bring this piece in, and we're going to place it right down on top of here, just like that. And then I went ahead and I added these 2 pieces together. Put this down, and then I'm going to attach these 2. And I didn't do anything. I just added it right to the card, just like this. Then I took my other little piece of ribbon and I tucked it up underneath. Could have tucked it up a little bit before. There we go. And then I just tied a knot. I just wanted a little knot here, like this. So I tied a knot, and then I'm going to get my ribbon, and I'm just going to trim my knot here. Just wanted a little something on the side. I feel like it's not tight enough. There we go. There we go. So now I have that down. And then when I was looking at it, I'm like, oh, it still needs something. It still needs something more. So I went ahead and I added these flowers that we have. I just took, you could use glue, but I'm just going to take some glue dots for the purpose of this video. And I'm just going to stick one in there. And I stuck one there. You can fancy them up if you want, but I did not do that. Stick one right there. Put one right there. And then I'll put one right here. I put it right about there. And then I went ahead and I got the pearls. You will get 11 pearls with your bundle. Here I got some right here. Oh, here's some that need to get used up. I'm trying to use up all these loose papers that I have floating around here. Gotta grab the tweezers again. Oh, I don't know what I've done with them. So we're gonna have to fight with this, okay? I put one in each one of these little things here. And then I put one on each of the flowers. So it would just make it pop. Oops, where'd it go? There it goes. And then there's one more thing I think I did to this one. Okay. Okay, and then I think I added, yep, and then I added some Wink of Stella to the card. And I just went around and added some Wink of Stella to it. I don't have to do a whole lot, I can't tell. Just my luck, I will squeeze too much. I think this is the one that is about had its day. Yep, here we go. There it comes. It's coming out. I think it's coming out. See, I can never see it until I have too much. There, I think I got just enough. Yep. There, I'm seeing it now. Okay. And then I added Wink of Stella. And that's it. This was card number 4. Thank you, ladies, for supporting me in my online class and joining it. And if anybody else would like to, like I said, all the information is in the description box below. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the little pink square over there to watch all my future videos. All the good stuff. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.